move to the second part of this program challenge for algebra and symbolic math. It's called the graphical equation solver. So we will see the equation, and we find the solution, and then plotting that into our graph. So the two equations, we know we can use this way to get inputs. Now this express 1 and 2 store two expression. And then we can convert those through the simple object using simplify. Then use a try-exact block, which we had learned already, similarly like this one. So we can starting from this as the base, and we need to do from here to plot these two expressions instead of one. And once we complete this plotting and enhance the program to print the solution, the pair of x and y that satisfy both the equation, and then also by the spot where the two lines on the graphic intersect, then that is the solution. So we will use the solve function earlier to find the solution of a system of two-line equation. So let's do this from the scratch, not fully scratch. We use this 451 as our base. So let's change that to graphical equation solver. So that's out of second one. So let's put this purpose graphical equation solver, and this to third one. So we will first is convert this for this one. So input is please enter your first expression in terms of x and y. So that is the first one. Then we can make the second one. So express 2. So enter your second. The same. Then what we learned is we have this try. So try now is we will try the 2. So first is this one. So expression 1, and then express 2 equal to simplify expr2. Try from this. Let's see why here get such kind of errors. Let's quit from Python, and let me, here it's fine. So if we don't have those lines C, so we print 1, print 2. So now it's not the factoring, so we don't have this one. So then we just say none, and then we will run. So here let's give the first one 3 times x plus 2 times y minus 6. So and then let's give our also 3 times x minus 2 times y plus 6. Nothing happened, so that means it's go to the else. Let's give our evaluate. So 3x minus 2y. Okay, invalid. So that means it's our currently this check is okay. We don't need this factor, so not this one. And let's see. So what we need to do, because we need to find out the solution. So we need to have our symbol definitely to define the x and y, and also we need the solve. And we have this simplify arrow, and since we will do the plotting, so we need to prepare the plotting library, import plot. So that is enough for that. So we have our expression read in. So now let's see how we can first is plot those expressions. So let's see. So we are going to do this else. So else is we should define. So you can use symbols, or you can use line by line by symbol. X and y is symbol y. So now is we will do the check if this the expression is have the only two variables, but we will leave that later. So we just try to do the solve. So let's give this the function load is if we call our function will be the solve and the plot equation. So that is our the target. We should transfer express 1, express 2, and transfer x and y as the symbol. Now let's starting to make its def. To ensure you don't have a typo, it's better copy this name here. So now we have our name is also we should have this 4. So those can be copied all, but ensure it don't have a double this parentheses. So we have this one, and then the let's symbol. So this symbol, let's see why here has arrows. No. So and then this first let's do the solve. Then this second is let's do the plotting. So we will do this step by step. So solve is the easy. So we can solve this 2 by transfer the 2 the expression as the those arguments. So we can see solutions is equal to solve. But the transfer 2 more than one expression, you need to treat them as the tuple the formats. So it's like it's express 1, express 2. So we transfer these, and then this we see we want a dictionary, so true. So let's make a print solution. So let's make run. So if I put the 3 times x plus 2 times y plus minus 6, 3 or 6 times x minus 4 times y minus 5. So I have 2 variables. That's good is I got x with 1, there is a fraction, y is another fraction. So it's fine. So we have those solutions. Then this we need to see is x is our the first this the value pair in the dictionary, y is the second value pair. So if we see is they are having the those values, then we will see that will have the correct values with solution. Otherwise, we see there's no solution found. So here, before we do the plotting, it's better we make our solutions check. So if a solution we see is not empty, then we will see, so print the x is 0 and y is the 1. So with the format is the solution. So we know the solution is like this way. So it's a list. Then this list is just one dictionary element. So we will use 0 to find the dictionary, and 0 will be the x. So then this first element, because it's a dictionary, so we should give the key. Then we will get the value. So give x, and similarly is a solution 0, and we give y. So we can print this. Otherwise, else we will print no solution found. So then we will have this. So if we see here, so let's try to make some testing. So if we use this, 3 times x, we know this have solution already. 6 times x minus 4 times y minus 5. So we go to this one and we retrieve this. So it's a solution found. But if we see it's x plus y plus 1, so that is first. And this, let's see, so 2x plus 2, 2 times x plus 2 times y plus 2. Solution 0y, so key error. So let's see, so 2 times x is not, so the no solution found. So line here, solution 0y. I think it's for this one is we don't have the y, so key error. Key error is here is y. Let's see what's the key error. So we don't have the solution is only x is empty, y is empty, right? So this one is we don't have the this dictionary y. So such kind of things we using this way, so we are not yet fully get that. But this one is if there's no solution, we use this the approach, try to identify some of them. But let's use this later on. So and let's see. So equation 1 is what is the solve is the express 1 with y. So y, and then we put that find this 0, and the equation 2 also y is the solve express 2. So we are preparing the data list for our plotting. So this equation always is from the first element. Then we can do the plot. Equation 1, y, equation 2, y, and then we give a legend because we have 2 charts. So it's better is don't forget about this. Now let's give the, let's use this way. So these are the height values. So plus 2 times y minus 6. So that is the first. And the second is 6 for 4, 6x minus 4y minus 5. And equation 2, so is not defined. So we haven't defined. So that is the issue. So we should use this equation equation 1, equation 2. So let's see what's that. Where is I should define that. is the expression. Oh, is my bad is here should be 2. I use 1, so that is the error. So now this should equal to this one, EQ2. So let's run this. So 3 times x minus 2 times y minus 6, and this 5 times x plus 6 times y minus 8. So you just gave the different way. Oh, perfect. Oh, now you can see. So the blue line is the over 3x divided by 2 minus y. So they already shift this y to the another one, another side, and make that y is 0. Then you have the expression presented by x only. So that this is the second one. So that is the orange part, and their solution is on this intersection, the point. So that is the simpler implementation on this graphical equation solver. So I don't go to too much complexity of this sample. If you read the author's this solution page, you may find this after we check the simplify, the author also introduce these atoms, the function or method to check is whether this expression only consists with 2 variables, because if you happen to get an input with x, y, and z, or ABC, so more than 2 variables, it will give some another side of the arrow. But I think it's this. We may learn this afterwards. But for this sample, if we just wanted to implement the controlled, the graphical equation solver, here the code is already enough or good enough for now. And also here is will be the tricky part is we need to find out the boundaries, the values that can really trigger no solution found branch. So for my parts is that is also trigger something is not in this else branch. So this part you can also offline do some investigation, and I'm willing to hear from you is any comments for this. But let's see if we keep the basic the function. You just go to here, get this solve, and then resolve this solve through pointing the y symbol, and then retrieve that first element from the solve solution. Then that is your inputs, the expression for plotting. Then you use this plot with this comma separate with 2 expressions. Then you can put 2 lines into one the chart graph. Ensure you have the legend equal true, so that you can see which color line refer to which expression. So I want to keep this as simple as possible. So hope you also get your own the testing and the results through this program. Then we will stop here, and the next video we come to this summing series, the practice. So see you in the next one.